already cover the part Boolean expressions, okay, Boolean algebraic equations. So apply the different rule for Boolean algebras and solve the Boolean equations. Okay. So next example is already two examples you have to solve. Take one example, another one example. Wait. Take one example. Y is equal to a plus ac. Y is equal to a plus ac. What is the answer for this Boolean algebraic equation? Apply the basic rules for Boolean algebra and then solve this equation and tell me what is the answer for this Boolean equation.
A.
Hmm? What is the answer? A. Good.
A.
Here take A common. Then what is the remaining part? Here
1 plus C.
1 plus C. But in your basic rules for Boolean algebraic equation, what is the 1 plus C answer?
1.
Or A? Anything plus 1. Answer is 1. So A, and what is the, this bracket answer is 1, right? A into 1 is equal to final answer A. So what is the circuit for this question? What is the circuit? A plus AC. Which gate is used? Plus means
OR gate.
OR gate, right? Here A is there. No any combination means AND gate. Here is the 1 is present, right? A and here is the 1. Okay. Next A into C. Okay. A into C. But this is A into C. Which gate combine these two terms? OR gate, right? Means here A into C, or you can draw likewise. Means here A input and here also A input. Okay. And then combine these two OR gate, right? Combine these two terms with OR gate. Here is the output. What is the final answer? Here A plus AC. Okay, this is the circuit diagram for this term. Okay, next final answer only A. Okay, so what is the diagram for this term? Only A. Here no means no any term or no any value means 1, and here is answer is A. Which is the simple circuit diagram? First one or second one? This is first diagram and this is second diagram. Okay, which is the simple diagram, first one or second one?
Second.
Second. So advantage of Boolean solving the Boolean equation or Boolean algebraic expressions because of to reduce the complication of gate circuit. Okay, different types of gate circuit. म्हणजे इथं तुम्हाला ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही कनेक्शन करणार आहे त्यावेळेस नंबर ऑफ वायर्स किती लागत आहेत बघा, 1 2 देन 3 4 5 6 and 7 कनेक्शन्स लागणार आहेत. राईट, तुम्हाला ही जर डायग्राम कनेक्शन करायचं म्हटलं तर किती लागणार आहेत? 7 नंबर वायर्स लागणार आहेत. ओके, आणि सेकंड सर्किट डायग्राम तुम्हाला बिल्ड करायची असेल तर किती लागत आहेत? ओनली 3 वायर्स रिक्वायर्ड आहेत. ओके, 1 2 and 3 आणि दोन्हीचं मिनिंग काय आहे? सेमच आहे. ओके, म्हणजेच तुम्हाला नंबर ऑफ वायर्स रिड्यूस दी नंबर ऑफ वायर्स देन लेस कॉम्प्लिकेशन्स हे काय मिळत आहेत? ऍडव्हान्टेजेस मिळत आहेत. कधी मिळत आहेत? तर टू सॉल्विंग दी बुलियन अल्जेब्रिक इक्वेशन्स विथ दी बेसिक रूल्स, विथ दी हेल्प ऑफ बेसिक रूल्स. Okay, everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll move to the next point, that is the canonical and standard form. Okay, means principles of combinational circuit. This is the principle of combinational circuit. म्हणजे तुम्ही आता बुलियन अल्जेब्रिक इक्वेशन नि सॉल्व केले, मिनिमाइज केल्या, नंबर ऑफ वायर्स कमी लागले, रिड्यूस झाले, सर्किटची कॉस्ट पण कमी होणार आहे कारण लेस नंबर ऑफ कॉम्पोनंट तिथं लागणार आहेत, रिक्वायर्ड आहेत. हे सगळे झाले बुलियन अल्जेब्रिक इक्वेशन्स. ओके, but next thing is a next technique or next solving the technique or next way to solve the canonical and standard form. Okay, this is the K-map procedure. Okay, and this the basic design issue related to combinational circuit is minimization of number of gates. म्हणजे तिथं काय होतं, नंबर ऑफ वायरचं कनेक्शन कमी होत होतं. ओके, पण आता तुम्ही फर्स्ट कोणती तुमची मेथड आहे? फर्स्ट मेथड कोणती आहे तुमची? मिनिमायझेशन टेक्निक मधली फर्स्ट मेथड कोणती आहे तुमची? बुलियन अल्जेब्रा. राईट, नेक्स्ट आहे के मॅप आणि थर्ड आहे ती क्वाइन एमसी क्लस्की. ओके, क्वाइन एमसी क्लस्की. इन युअर सिलेबस BCD2 gray codes are already over, then 7 segment already over in last lecture. Now principles of combinational logic will start, but in that already covered the Boolean algebraic equation. There are 3 methods. First one is to solving the Boolean equations, then solving the K-map equation, and then solving the minimization technique, means Quine-MC-Klasky method. Okay, so in that already minimization technique, one technique is over, that is the Boolean algebraic equation. Next K-map. Okay, next one is the K-map. K-map means, what is mean by K-map? K-map means Karnaugh map, and this is a tabular form. Okay, so in that minimization of number of gates, म्हणजे इथं काय होते, गेट मिनिमाइज होत आहेत. ओके, बुलियन अल्जेब्रिक इक्वेशन मध्ये काय होतं, नंबर ऑफ वायर्स कमी होत होते. आता इथं काय होतंय, गेटच कमी होत आहेत. म्हणजे जसं तुम्ही एक इक्वेशन बघितलं किंवा एक डायग्राम बघितली, कुठली बघितली होती आता आपण, 2 अँड गेट कनेक्ट केलते. राईट, आणि ते कशाशी कनेक्ट झालते, ऑर गेटशी कनेक्ट झालते. राईट, ऑर गेटशी कनेक्ट करून आपण हे फर्स्ट वन एक एक्झाम्पल बघितलं होतं. आता तिथं ज्यावेळेस आपण हे सॉल्व्ह करत होतो त्यावेळेस काय होत होतं, नंबर ऑफ वायर्स कमी होत होत्या. पण ह्या मेथडने काय होणार आहेत, के मॅपनी नंबर ऑफ गेट्सच रिड्यूस होणार आहेत. ओके, म्हणजे गेट पण आपण कमी करू शकतो. सो इन दॅट टाइप two forms are there. Okay, two techniques or two forms are there. One is the SOP form and second one is the POS form. Okay, SOP form means what? Sum of products, and POS means product of sum. Okay, means in name declare that sum of product means what? Product addition असणार आहे, राईट. प्रोडक्टची काय असणार आहे? सम मीन्स ऍडिशन. ऍडिशन कशाची असणार आहे? तुमच्या प्रोडक्टची असणार आहे. मग ए इंटू बी हा प्रोडक्ट झाला, नेक्स्ट ए इंटू बी हा नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट झाला, ह्याची ऍडिशन. ओके, ह्याची काय असणार आहे? प्रोडक्टची ऍडिशन असणार आहे, राईट. म्हणजे हा एक प्रोडक्ट, फर्स्ट वन इज द ए इंटू बी, नेक्स्ट वन इज द ए इंटू बी, आणि ह्या दोन्हींची ऍडिशन मीन्स सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. नेम इंडिकेट्स दी सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. ओके, दिट इज नथिंग बट दी एसओपी. अँड पीओएस मीन्स व्हॉट? प्रोडक्टची काय असणार आहे? सम असणार आहे. ओके, प्रोडक्टची काय असणार आहे? सम असणार आहे. आता रिव्हर्स, प्रोडक्टची प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सम. ओके, म्हणजे समचा काय असणार आहे? तुमच्या प्रोडक्ट असणार आहे. म्हणजे फर्स्ट ब्रॅकेट मध्ये तुमचं सम आहे, नेक्स्ट ब्रॅकेट मध्ये पण सम असणार आहे, आणि त्याचं काय असणार आहे? प्रोडक्ट असणार आहे. ओके, मीन्स हिअर इज द प्रोडक्ट. ओके, डॉट मीन्स प्रोडक्ट. एव्हरीवन गॉट इट? Everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
There are two techniques, sum of product and product of sum. Okay. Next, what is mean by min term and max term? For solving the SOP and POS form, two terms are required. That is nothing but the SOP and POS form. Okay. Jyoti Chaugule, mute yourself. Jyoti, are you there? So what is mean by min term and what is mean by max term? Two terms are required for solving the SOP form and POS form. Min terms means small m and max terms mean capital M. Okay, in min term, what we consider? 0 consider as a negative and 1 consider as a positive. Okay, 0 means consider bar value, 1 consider normal value, means no bar here present. Okay, in min term. And max term means what? Capital M denoted by capital M and bar reverse condition, bar consider as a 1 and normal value consider as a 0. Means what? Suppose here example as a 0 0 0. So in min term, what is the representation for this term? A bar, B bar and C bar, because of SOP form is present. Okay, here is the 0 means bar. And in max terms, what is the representation? Here A plus B plus C. Okay, mention A plus B plus C because no any bar present, because reverse 0 indicate as a positive value in a max term. Okay, and 0 indicates negative value in a min term. Okay, everyone got it? And here in a min term, product value is there, and in max term, addition value is there or some values is there. Okay, everyone note down this difference. What is the difference? In min term, 0 indicates as a negative value and 1 indicates as a positive value in min term. Okay, and in max term 0 indicates positive value and 1 indicates negative value. Is a reverse. Min terms reverse by max term, or representation always reverse by each other, because representation of min term 0 0 0, what is the value? A bar, B bar, C bar indicate as a M0 value. Okay, next 0 0 1, 0 means A bar, here 0 means B bar, because here B input, here A input, and here as a C input. Okay, here 0 means value is A bar, here 0 means value is B bar, and here C means 1 means positive value, that is the C. Okay, mention only C. Next 0 1 0, what is the term? 0 means 0 means
A bar.
A bar, then 1 means B,
Mhm.
and C means C bar. Okay, next 0 1 1, what is the answer? A bar, B, C. Okay, next 1 0 0, what is the answer? A written as it is, then 0 means B bar, next 0 means C bar. Okay, next 1 0 1 means A, B bar, C. Okay, next 1 1 0, what is the term? A, B, C bar. Okay, next all are 1, then only put A, B, C. But here term represent as a M0, M1, M2, M3 up to M7 respectively, because here is the 0 value, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? Here is a 3 input variables, 0 to up to 7 values, binary values, 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, respectively up to 1 1 1. Okay, here 1 1 means 7 value is there, binary value. So with respect to these things, representation denoted as a M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही ए बी सी बार ही व्हॅल्यू घेताय, म्हणजे कुठली असणार आहे ही व्हॅल्यू? 1 1 0, म्हणजे कशाचा हा बायनरी नंबर आहे? 1 1 0, 1 1 0 बायनरी नंबर कशाचा आहे हा? 6 चा, राईट? वेट असाइन 1 2 4, बिकॉज ओनली 3 व्हेरिएबल्स आर देअर. जर 4 व्हेरिएबल्स असते तर आपण इथं काय केलं असतं? 8 केलं असतं. इथं कोणतीच व्हॅल्यू नाहीये, म्हणजे इंडिकेट 0. ओके, मीन्स हिअर 4 plus 2 6 value is there and represented as a M6. You can take one example, another example, that is 0 1 1. What is the binary number for this?
3.
3, right? 3 here. So what is the representation for this term? M3, small m3. In min term and max term. Okay, so here in min term notation is small m. Okay, notation is small m, and here max term notation is capital M. Okay, capital M. So these things note down in your notebook, because solving the example with the help of these things. Write down this table in your notebook, min term and max term. Everyone write down this table in your notebook. This is the min term and that is the max term. This is the capital M. And min terms denoted by summation. Okay, symbol is a summation, and max term denoted by pi. Okay, this is the symbol for pi. Everyone note down these things. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One thing is remaining in min term and max term, that is the literal. Okay, literal, Literal. Okay, this is the literal. Okay, what is mean by literal? The literal signifies the Boolean variables. Okay, Boolean variables including their complements. Suppose here value is a B. Okay, what is the complement for B? Complement means, what is mean by complement? Suppose here is the B value, complement of B, that is B bar. Okay, B bar. Suppose value is 1, 1's complement is a 0. Okay, suppose input is a 0. What is the complement for the 0? 1. Means change
1.
the state on to off to on. Okay, positive to negative, negative to positive. This is the literal thing. Okay, suppose I will put here A. What is the complement for this A value? Anyone idea? What is the complement for this A value? Only mention bar here. Okay, suppose I will put here is symbol for bar, comma. Okay, next I will put C. What is the complement for this C?
C dash.
C
C
bar, B-A-R. B-A-R means bar. Suppose I will put here B bar. Okay, here B bar. What is the complement for this B bar?
B.
B.
Good. B. Suppose I will put here C bar. What is the complement for this C bar?
C.
Suppose I will put here 0. What is the complement for this 0?
1.
0.
1.
1. Okay, good. This way you can find out the complement. And such as this complement product means min-term. The product of all literals. म्हणजे हे जे काय आहेत हे सगळे कॉम्प्लिमेंट म्हणजे काय झालेत? कॉम्प्लिमेंट म्हणजेच काय आहेत तर A literal signifies the boolean variables including their complements. म्हणजेच काय, बुलियन अल्जेब्रा कसे असतात, सपोज y इज इक्वल टू b इंटू b बार. ओके, म्हणजेच हा काय झाला, b इंटू b बार झाला, म्हणजेच काय झाला, सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, सपोज प्लस a b असं पण मी लिहू शकते. ओके, म्हणजे हे एक्झाम्पल कशाचं झालं, दोन प्रोडक्ट आहेत, प्रोडक्ट ची सम आहे, म्हणजे प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सम झालं, म्हणजे POS झाला, राईट ना. आय विल क्लिअर फर्स्ट दिस थिंग्स. सपोज I will mention here y is equal to a into a bar plus b into a. Which type of example is there, SOP or POS?
SOP.
SOP.
SOP. Okay, next, y is equal to a plus a bar dot b plus a. कशाचं एक्झाम्पल झालं हे,
POS.
POS means product of sum. You can clear these things. Sum means SOP form and this dot means product form. Okay, SOP always denoted by small m and POS always denoted by capital M. Okay, but in your example, SOP form example, mention summation. Okay, mention summation symbol, and in POS example mention pi symbol. Okay, here is the pi. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस एक्झाम्पल येत आहे त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला कुठली कंडिशन पॉझिटिव्ह घ्यायची, कुठली कंडिशन निगेटिव्ह घ्यायची हे ओळखण्यासाठी आधी तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करावं लागेल, तो SOP फॉर्म आहे का POS फॉर्म आहे. ओके, मग हे टेक्निक आहेत SOP फॉर्म फाइंड आउट करण्याच्या. ओके, 3 म्हणजे स्मॉल एम नी डिनोटेड मध्ये एक्झाम्पल मध्ये स्मॉल एम दिसलं की SOP फॉर्म, कॅपिटल एम दिसलं की POS फॉर्म. ही फर्स्ट थिंग झाली. ओके, अदरवाईज त्या एक्झाम्पलच्या फॉर्मॅट नुसार जर त्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये तुम्हाला सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट दिसला तर तो SOP फॉर्म असणार आहे, आणि जर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सम दिसला तर तो तुमचा POS असणार आहे. ही झाली सेकंड थिंग. आणि थर्ड थिंग काय असणार आहे, जर तो प्रॉब्लेम तुमचा समेशननी डिनोटेड असेल, म्हणजे समेशन त्यात मेन्शन असेल, तर तो तुमचा कुठला फॉर्म झाला, SOP फॉर्म झाला. जर त्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये कॅपिटल पाय असेल तर काय असणार आहे, तुमचा POS फॉर्म असणार आहे. म्हणजे प्रॉब्लेम फाइंड आउट फर्स्ट तुम्हाला करावा लागणार आहे, तो SOP फॉर्म आहे का POS फॉर्म आहे. जर SOP फॉर्म असेल तर 0 तुम्ही पॉझिटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू म्हणून घेणार का निगेटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू म्हणून घेणार,
निगेटिव्ह.
गुड, निगेटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू घेणार. ओके, SOP फॉर्म मध्ये 0 तुम्ही ऑलवेज निगेटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू घेणार आणि 1 ऑलवेज पॉझिटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू घेणार. पॉझिटिव्ह म्हणजे नो बार देअर. ओके, आणि निगेटिव्ह मीन्स बार इज प्रेझेंट. ओके, आणि इन POS फॉर्म मध्ये कसं फाइंड आउट करणार तुम्ही, POS फॉर्म मध्ये 0 टेक अ पॉझिटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू and 1 take as a negative value always. Okay, negative positive value means no bar present. Okay, here 1 means positive value, no bar present means only C. Here in a max term 1 means negative value, so simply you can put C bar. Okay, everyone got it, how to find which type of example is there, which technique to find out your example in which type. Okay, you find out first, then apply these things. If your example in SOP form, then apply this thing. If your example in POS form, then apply this thing. Okay, everyone got it? How to find and what is mean by min term and what is mean by max term?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
min term, variable value is a 1. We will take the variable without its complement, and 0 take its complement. Okay, but in max term, 1, if the variable value is 1, then we will take the variable without a complement, and if the variable value is 0, take the complement of the variable. Means vice versa, reverse, min terms reverse by max terms. Okay, so next is a how to solve this SOP and POS form. See one by one. This is the example of SOP form. Suppose F is equal to AC plus B bar C dot A B bar C. Which type of example is there?
SOP.
SOP. Because AC is a one term and B bar C dot A B bar C, this is the another term. And this is the plus sign is a mention, means SOP form. Suppose plus sign in the middle, A plus C or B bar plus C or A plus B bar plus C. These things is a mention in here. Then which type of example?
POS.
POS. Good. So first find out which type of example is there. And this is the example of POS. Okay. So in POS, what is the A plus C plus B bar plus C plus A bar? All things in a OR gate. Okay. OR gate. And next is a AND gate. Means in SOP form, first stage is a AND gate. Okay. Because product is there. Okay. First term is a AND gate, and all these AND gate combined with OR gate. Okay, means level 1 is a AND gate and level 2 is a OR gate in SOP form. And in POS form, first stage is a OR gate because plus sign is mentioned in two terms, between two terms, and another is a level 2 means AND gate because first प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सम म्हणजे समची प्रोडक्ट असणारे. ओके, समचा प्रोडक्ट असणारे म्हणून लेवल 1 ऑर गेट असते आणि लेवल 2 अँड गेट असते. दिस इज द बेसिक डायग्राम ऑफ एसओपी अँड पीओएस. एव्हरीवन गॉट इट? एनी कन्फ्युजन वॉज देअर? Everyone got it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Already discussed this part, means minimization of gate, and the following three methods are used for this because of minimization of gate. Already algebraic simplification is over, solving with examples. Now Karnaugh map is a start, means in that two forms was found, that is the SOP and POS form in a Karnaugh maps. Okay, so see first what is mean by K-map. K-map is a nothing but the Karnaugh map for simplifying the Boolean equations, and this is a two-dimensionals. Okay, two-dimensional means input and output. Tabular form was present, and the map is simply suited for simplifying the Boolean functions up to 2 to 6 variable. This is the very important things, that is the 2 te 2 te 6 variables. Okay, means this is the minimum stage for simplifying the Boolean expression. This is the maximum stage or maximum variables for solving the Boolean equations. But in your syllabus only up to 4 variable syllabus was there, means 2 variable K-map, 3 variable K-map and 4 variable K-map. Okay, K-map was a different types, that is first one 2 variable K-map, 3 variable K-map, 4 variable K-map, 5 variable K-map and 6 variable K-map. Okay, but in your syllabus up to only 4 variable K-map was there. Okay, for MCQ purpose, we have to ask one question, that is the what is the range for solving the K-map equation? What is the answer?
2 to 6.
No, maximum range. 2, 4, 6, 8. What is the maximum range for solving the Boolean equations or Boolean functions? What is the answer? This question asked in last year exam. Minimum range is a 2 for solving the Boolean equations and maximum range is a 6.
Six.
Okay, this is the maximum range and this is the minimum range. Okay, so everyone confused for 4 because in your syllabus up to 4 variables equations are there. So you pick 4. In last batch 50% students select the option is a 4. Okay, but this is the wrong option. Correct option is a 6. तुमच्या सिलेबस मध्ये 4 पर्यंत अवेलेबल आहे म्हणून त्याची मॅक्सिमम रेंज 4 आहे का? नाही. तर आपण कुठपर्यंत K-map इक्वेशन सॉल्व्ह करू शकतो? अप टू 6 व्हेरिएबल पर्यंत सॉल्व्ह करू शकतो. पण तुमच्या सिलेबस मध्ये फक्त 4 व्हेरिएबल पर्यंत आहेत. इथं कन्फ्यूज व्हायचं नाही. फायनल आन्सर इज, what is the final answer? And correct answer is 6. Minimum range is 2 and maximum range is 6. Okay, everyone write down this thing in your notebook. Minimum range for solving the Boolean functions with the help of K-map is 2 and maximum range is 6. K-map म्हटलं की 2 ते 6 ची रेंज लक्षात ठेवायची. मिनिमम आहे ती 2, मॅक्सिमम आहे ती 6. ओके, तुमच्या सिलेबस मध्ये कितीही असू देत, 2 असू देत व्हेरिएबल, 3 असू देत, 4 असू देत, 5 असू देत, पण आपण सॉल्व्ह कुठपर्यंत करू शकतो? 6 व्हेरिएबल पर्यंत करू शकतो. एव्हरीवन क्लिअर दिस थिंग्स? एव्हरीवन गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll move to the next slide. This is the Karnaugh map. Okay, Karnaugh map diagram काय consist करती? Square of each term, means each square of the map represent a mean term. Any logic can be written as a sum of product or sum of mean terms. Means a map of 2 variable contains then 4 element square, then 3 variable contain means 8 element. Okay, there are 3 types of K-map, means 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable. Okay, here is only 3 type because of your syllabus only up to 4 variables consideration. So that's why 3 types are there: 2 variable K-map, 3 variable K-map and 4 variable K-map. Okay, so simplifying this equation, which type of this equations is there? F is equal to A B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B C bar plus A bar B bar C. Which type of example is there? SOP or POS?
SOP.
Yes,
Okay. Here is the SOP form. So what is the value for these terms? A means 0 or 1?
1,
1. Good. B bar means
0.
0,
C bar means
0.
0,
0. Okay. Next, A bar means
0.
0,
0. B bar means
0.
0,
next. C bar means
0.
good. Next, plus A bar means
0.
0,
B means
1.
C bar means
1,
0.
0,
next, plus A bar means
0.
B bar means
0.
And next theme is
1.
good. So what is the representation for this term 100?
4.
And what is the binary number here? 4 means small m or capital M. This is the
Small
SOP
m.
form. Okay.
Small m.
So small m representation is there. Means what? M
4.
4. Good. Next term
M
plus
0.
M 0. Good. Next term
2.
M 2. And what is the last term?
M.
M
1.
1. Okay. Good. Okay. All students, one announcement is there. Wait.
Okay, very good afternoon to everybody. Here the Professor Akshay Jadhav is here. Hope I'm well known to you. Yes or no?
Yes.